siaya na ni ati igoti ria siaya ni rikundikite mundurume umwe kioho kia miaka 40 ni thutha wake gukorwo akinyitikana na ihetia ya gukorwo akihahama mwana wa muiretu wa ukuru wa miaka 9 kimweri obondo uria uikaine ta japolo akirikanite gukorwo agitabania giako giki kia urathoni githaka-ini tareki mweri kana tareki 20 mweri wa mwaka wa 2022 Kairetu gakaikorio gakihanokio ni mwingi kana aikari a mwena uyu thutha wao gukorwo makiigua mukayo wako kuma githaka-ini.
Sema na hapa jina la Mwenyezi Mungu.
I think you are charged with the offense of defilement contrary to section 1 as read in section 2 of the Sexual Offences Act. And the particulars of the offense are that on 30th of February 2022 at Njera village within Cape Sub-County of Siaya County, you unlawfully and intentionally caused to penetrate the vagina of A.M. 9 years. And you are charged also with the offense of indecent act with a child. You pleaded not guilty and the matter proceeded for hearing. It is the complainant's case at the material date of 20th of February 2022. So I think there are prosecution there are three issues. One is the age of the minor and the examination and identification. So I think the accused person was identified by the minor. Medical examination corroborated that she was defiled. Identification of the accused person was not in dispute. The offense happened in the broad daylight. So, Maurice, you are convicted of defilement as charged on the main charge. Sawa sawa, umeelewa?